Welcome to this episode of the CompTIA Tech Plus Prepcast by baremetalcyber.com. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, refers to computer software systems that are designed to mimic aspects of human reasoning, decision-making, and behavior. Rather than following only fixed instructions, AI can analyze information, detect patterns, and adjust its responses based on new data. This technology is increasingly built into common tools and services, from chatbots that answer customer questions to smart assistants that automate daily tasks. The Tech Plus certification includes the ability to recognize where AI appears in modern IT environments, making it an essential topic for candidates. At its core, artificial intelligence involves software that can learn, adapt, or make decisions without requiring constant human direction. Simple forms of AI might use straightforward automation rules, while more advanced models such as generative AI create new outputs by analyzing large amounts of data. These systems rely on algorithms that process input and produce results, often improving accuracy over time. Examples range from rule-based decision trees to sophisticated language models and recommendation systems, each designed for specific purposes. AI chatbots are specialized programs that simulate human conversation, allowing them to answer questions or perform actions through text or voice interactions. Basic chatbots operate from a list of scripted responses, while more advanced ones use natural language processing, often referred to as NLP, to interpret user intent and respond more accurately. You will often encounter them in website help sections, mobile apps, or automated customer service systems. For organizations, they provide continuous availability and quick responses, reducing wait times and freeing human staff for more complex issues. Smart assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, take AI a step further by using speech recognition to process spoken commands and speech synthesis to deliver natural-sounding responses. These systems can perform tasks like setting reminders, controlling smart devices, or providing real-time information. They rely on constant processing of voice input combined with online resources to complete requests accurately. Found in smartphones, smart home devices, and vehicles, they offer convenience, accessibility, and integration with other services, making them common in both personal and business contexts. Generative artificial intelligence is a category of AI that focuses on producing original content in response to prompts or instructions. This can include written articles, digital images, computer code, or even audio tracks. Popular examples include ChatGPT for text generation, DALL-E for image creation, and GitHub Copilot for code assistance. These systems learn patterns from massive datasets, enabling them to produce output that appears human-made. In IT environments, they can help with documentation, design projects, automation scripts, and educational materials, streamlining creative and technical work. AI has become a common feature in productivity applications, where it helps users work more efficiently and accurately. Word processors may include grammar and style checkers that suggest improvements as you type, while spreadsheet programs can detect data trends and generate charts automatically. Email clients often include tools that sort incoming messages by priority or create suggested replies based on the message content. These integrated features reduce repetitive work and help maintain consistent quality in documents and communications. Predictive text and recommendation systems are another widespread use of AI. Predictive text appears in search bars, messaging applications, and document editors, offering suggestions for the next word or phrase you might type. Recommender systems use stored user history, preferences, and activity patterns to suggest products, media, or resources tailored to the individual. Examples include YouTube video suggestions, streaming service recommendations, and online store product lists, all powered by algorithms designed to improve relevance and user engagement. AI is also a growing part of security and monitoring systems, where it analyzes patterns in data to identify potential threats. This can involve monitoring login attempts for suspicious activity, detecting abnormal network traffic, or watching for unusual file access. Behavior-based detection allows these systems to identify threats they have not seen before, making them more adaptable than signature-based methods. AI is increasingly embedded into endpoint protection platforms, helping block malware, detect phishing, and reduce false positives. AI-driven scheduling and automation tools are designed to handle time management and process coordination without constant manual input. Calendar applications can analyze availability across participants and suggest the most suitable meeting times. Automation software can trigger follow-up tasks when specific events occur, such as sending a confirmation email after a file upload. In project management, AI bots can assign tasks, adjust deadlines, and allocate resources based on current workloads, reducing the time spent on administrative coordination. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. AI integration in everyday devices is one of the most visible ways this technology shapes user experiences. Smartphones use AI for facial recognition, enabling secure access without typing a password, and for interpreting voice commands in messaging or search. Battery optimization features can also adjust power usage by learning your typical patterns. In smart homes, AI-powered systems adjust lighting, temperature, and security settings based on habits and preferences. Modern vehicles apply AI to navigation, driver alerts, and even autonomous driving functions, enhancing safety, convenience, and efficiency. In education and training, AI enables adaptive learning platforms that adjust lessons based on how well a student is performing. This means content can be presented at a pace and difficulty level appropriate for each learner. Virtual tutoring systems use AI to answer questions, explain concepts, and provide additional examples when needed. Educators benefit from AI analytics that highlight students who may need more support or identify trends in class performance. These tools are transforming both the delivery of content and the way learners interact with it. The benefits of AI integration in technology environments are both broad and measurable. AI improves response times and customer support, which can lead to greater satisfaction and trust. It reduces repetitive tasks by automating routine actions, allowing human workers to focus on higher-value activities. By processing and analyzing large datasets, AI supports faster and more accurate decision-making. It also enables personalization, allowing systems to adapt their behavior and content to the unique needs of each user, increasing engagement and efficiency. Despite its advantages, AI has limitations and risks that must be understood. Because AI learns from data, it can replicate any biases present in that data, leading to unfair or inaccurate results. Over-reliance on automated systems can cause a decline in human oversight or problem-solving skills. Privacy is another major concern, as many AI tools collect, store, and analyze personal data. For this reason, it is essential to validate AI outputs, maintain appropriate human involvement, and understand the boundaries of what AI can and cannot do. Ethical use of AI has become a priority for many organizations and policymakers. Responsible AI development emphasizes transparency, so users can understand how decisions are made, and fairness, so outputs do not disadvantage certain groups. Accountability ensures that developers and operators take responsibility for the impact of their AI systems. Ethical frameworks are being built into IT governance to ensure AI systems respect consent, protect personal data, and actively work to minimize bias. These considerations are increasingly part of compliance and organizational standards. Managing AI settings and features gives both users and administrators control over how AI is applied. Many applications allow individuals to enable, disable, or fine-tune AI-powered functions to suit their preferences. Privacy settings may include options for limiting data collection, turning off personalization, or setting how long data is retained. In enterprise environments, IT administrators can apply policies to configure AI features across an organization. This customization helps strike the right balance between functionality and privacy requirements. On the exam, AI-related questions may appear in scenarios describing features within productivity software, cloud tools, or customer support environments. You might be asked to identify a chatbot in a business setting, recognize the use of a smart assistant, or distinguish AI-driven automation from standard programmed processes. A clear understanding of AI's role in generating content, managing data, or streamlining workflows will help you answer these questions accurately. Several glossary terms are particularly important to review when studying this topic. These include AI, natural language processing, generative AI, chatbot, smart assistant, predictive text, automation, and personalization. Grouping these by function, such as communication, content creation, security, or scheduling, can make them easier to remember. Using flashcards or mobile apps to quiz yourself on definitions and examples can strengthen your ability to recall terms during the exam. The relevance of AI to real-world IT work continues to grow. Helpdesk staff often troubleshoot AI-driven application behavior, such as incorrect recommendations or misunderstood voice commands. System administrators may need to enable or restrict AI features in enterprise deployments based on business needs or compliance rules. Understanding how AI works and how to manage it allows IT professionals to better explain modern software behavior to users, improving both support quality and trust. In the next episode, we will begin Domain 4 of the exam objectives, which focuses on software development concepts. We will start with a domain overview, covering the primary programming language categories and their uses. You will learn how different types of software are created, how code is organized, and how development processes align with IT operations. Join us for Episode 40, Software Development Concepts, Domain Overview, as we explore the foundations of programming within the Tech Plus certification. Thanks for listening. Please visit baremetalcyber.com for more cybersecurity information and education, including a new children's series. For more information on books and more, follow us at cyberauthor.me.